Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Constantinide and I'm an international human rights lawyer. Welcome back. This video is what does an international lawyer have to study to be an international lawyer? So there are 3 steps that you have to follow, and if you do follow those 3 steps, then you will be an international lawyer. Now, step number 1, you need to have a law degree. I know it sounds obvious, but you need to have a law degree because it is indeed a legal area. So that means that you're going to be studying different areas of law. And let's not underestimate the fact of having spheric view and a spheric understanding of these different areas of law, whether it's called commercial law, company law, arbitration law, sales of goods act, employment law, tort law, civil law, criminal, you name it. So there's so many different areas of law. And lately I've been reading this article from the Council magazine, and there is the space law, internet law, sports law, perhaps less popular areas of law, but nevertheless they are there. So there's all these different areas of law, but what does it do? It allows you to build constructively the legal thinking process, because there is a way that lawyers think and there is different ways of where the lay people think. Okay, so it's that legal thinking that you get to build upon once you actually have your law degree. Now you may tell me, Diana, I don't have a law degree, can I still be an international lawyer? Yes, you can. So most likely you will have to convert your bachelor's degree, whatever that is. It could be art, it could be chemistry, it could be, I don't know, history, geography, you name it. And then you have to do the conversion. So in the UK, I know that you can do that in various institutions that they are here in the UK, and you can convert your degree into be a law degree. So when we talk about conversion, essentially what that means, they will look into your degree, what you've studied, and they will tell you that you have to do those, you have to study those areas of law to have a law degree. You may be exempted in certain areas of law, or you may have to undertake the whole conversion course. Okay, so step number 1, you need to have a law degree, or if you do not have a law degree, you need to have the conversion degree to a law degree. Step number 2, once you have your law degree, make sure that you are qualified in a jurisdiction. It doesn't matter which jurisdiction you're qualified, just qualify in, and I would say in your jurisdiction, where you come from, your home, your nation. Qualify as a lawyer there, and that will allow you to understand and to go into the depths of the legal world of your country, to understand better where it stands. When I say that, it means that what areas do you have in place, and once you're able to look into that and understand it, you will see perhaps what gaps they are, what problematic areas of law they are, such as, for example, homosexuality. Many years ago it's been penalized, now it's not a criminal offense. What does your country say about it? Where does it stand on it? What laws do you have in place? Do you penalize? Are they sentenced to death because they are in a homosexual relationship? So by studying and becoming a lawyer in your jurisdiction, you will have hands-on understanding of where your country stands and what you can do to make it better. So qualify in your country, become a lawyer, get your license. That is step number 2. Step number 3. So once you have your law degree, once you're qualified in your jurisdiction, what I will suggest to you and recommend is to register in the list of councils at the international courts or the hybrid courts. So International Criminal Court, the ICC, will have a list of councils. If you have less than, I believe, 5, you need to have more than 5, less than 10 years of experience, but look up to it, because I'm not sure about the years, but it doesn't matter. What matters is that look into it and register in the list of councils for the ICC. It could be the Kosovo Chambers, it could be the ICC, the International Court of Justice, it could be the mechanism, could be just Sierra Leone hybrid court. So just go in and register yourself in the list of councils for those international courts, and that means you'll be in the list of recognized lawyers, councils, that they can appoint you in a case. So it could be either defending, or it could be in the representation of victims. So it is a great thing to do, and that gives you that element, but most importantly, it allows you to conceptualize now your profile from domestic to international, along with your domestic practice. And I also have a bonus practice. Now, a bonus practice point of view. If you want to practice international law, most of the times, if you're not in the United Nations or in an NGO that you work working and you do make a living, and perhaps you more like myself, that I'm a self-employed barrister, then what I did early on in my career, I've taken on pro bono cases. That means I was doing those cases without being paid. But it allowed me to get in touch with so many human rights activists, get engaged with other lawyers, and from doing these cases, I gathered a pool of experience that now is so much helpful in my cases that I work on in the International Criminal Court and other human rights cases that I work on. So bonus tip, if you can and you can prioritize with your diary, do a bit of pro bono work. And there is also organizations that they can send you cases that are pro bono, so you can put like keywords and say that you want to do international or human rights law, and they will just alert you once they do have a case like that. And you never know, maybe the legal aid that they have, the certificate of legal aid, it could be for that particular point of the case that is pro bono, but then anything beyond that needs to be paid, and shebang, you got a human rights case and you're getting paid for it. And that's really to allow you to get a head start when it comes into conceptualizing an international legal profile. So this is what you need to study, but at the same time what you need to do to be an international practitioner. I hope that you found this helpful. If you did, let me know. I wish you have a wonderful day. Take care, and most importantly, if we're not close by to have a coffee, buy me coffee and support this channel. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Bye.